How does it feel with the kind of euphoria that you get everywhere that you go?
Well, to start off, sorry to keep you guys waiting. There were so sorry for that. The moment he mentioned 24 hours, I was like, no, we didn't delay it for 24 hours. So you guys are not waiting for 24 hours. But yes, to start off, sorry for the delay. And as far as the promotion of the movie is concerned, yes, we have been to 3 different cities, including Mumbai now. And the kind of response what we have got so far is just fantastic. Jalandhar was brilliant, followed by Delhi, former school of Sushant. And I feel we have got very good reception each and everywhere. As far as going through the process is concerned, it's very tough. Frankly speaking, the only good thing, we don't have to walk 1,500 kilometers. You have flights and you can take all of that. But yes, a lot of things get delayed because of the weather and everything. But as far as just the promotion is concerned, I'm very happy that I'm part of it. I have time to be part of it. And more than that, hats off to all the film stars, who do it on a regular basis. And they actually do it for 15, 20 days before the start of the movie, before the movie gets launched. So I think it's a fantastic effort on their side. And we all need to appreciate it, that the amount of effort they put in, leave getting into the character part, acting and everything. It's just that the amount of effort that is put in to make a movie successful.
So आपने रिसेप्शन के बारे में बोला था, दिल्ली जलंधर के बारे में, लेकिन आमची मुंबई तो आमची मुंबई है भाई. Hey Mumbai, you're not doing well, yeah. Come on.
Mumbai is a very special place.
Hey, one second. Mumbai is a very special place. Captain, hold on.
Mumbai, if you see, is a very special place. 2007 World Cup, T20 World Cup, when we won, we came back to Mumbai, and quite a few of us from England, we went to South Africa to play the T20. And once we were coming back, we had won the tournament, we were coming back, and it was almost over 3 months. So, that anxiety of being with the family is there. So we are about to land, and I think it was very cloudy, it was raining heavily. And we knew that, we had like a march where we were supposed to go from the airport to the stadium. And I told all my friends, you know what, it seems we'll get an early flight home. Because I thought in the kind of rain that nothing will happen, we'll be at the airport, we'll be able to catch the flight home to respective places and we'll be off. But I was completely wrong. We just got out of the aircraft. Before immigration, there were people. And when I talk about people, lots of people. I had the trophy in my hand. It was a very heavy trophy. It was the first edition. It must be one of the heaviest trophy. I was holding it in my right hand. We started walking. I had to put it like that. And after a while, I realized it's too heavy to carry. But there's so many people, I couldn't lift it up. So it was like that till we crossed immigration and we boarded the bus. And right from the airport till the Wankhede Stadium, there were people on both the sides of the road, and they were so happy. A lot of them would have missed their flight, but still, the cars were parked, all of them were outside, and they had a smile on their face. That's an amazing feeling, because that was the first time you saw like a swarm of people, and all of them were happy. It was raining, the mobile phones were out, everybody was clicking pictures and everything. So that was the 2007. I don't think I need to talk about 2011. But it's just that, we are a bit late for here. So that whole thing of, Mumbai, it actually slipped. And I was more concerned about, being late for the launch.
Come on, guys, let's give it oh, come on, that is awesome, man. So, generally, Neeraj sir makes very real films and all of that. And there is a big responsibility of portraying your life. आपकी जो पूरी life story है इस film के जरिए. आपको कैसे लगता है ये जो amalgamation हुआ है film का और आपकी life का? आप थोड़े से worried हैं, कैसे लग रहा है आपको? क्या feeling है?
No, I'm not worried at all. I have confidence in all the crew who has worked in the movie, Neeraj especially, right from the start. The good thing was we were on the same page. Because I've seen quite a few of his movies, and I like how he puts things on screen. And I think right from the very start, we were clear, we don't want to make a movie which, makes me a hero or glamorizes me. It was more about the journey so that people can, uh, relate to it, because we all go through almost the same thing. Okay, everybody doesn't play for India, but at the end of the day, to reach your mark, you have to struggle in life. And, it's all circumstantial, small decisions that you have to make that actually has a big impact in life. So it's all about that, the small, small things. Yes, people know a lot about me. I played football. I was from a particular school. I got a job with the railways and I moved on and all of that. But what happens in between that is what really, pushes me or transforms me to what actually I am today. So the movie is more about the journey and, how I deal with everything, because I keep saying, be in the present, be in the present. But the movie in a way will actually show what all happened that actually helped me be in the present, or that taught me to be in the present, and how being in present really helped me.
सो ब्रिलियंट ब्लेंड इस मूवी के जरिए क्रिकेट एंड अब बॉलीवुड हो रहा है तो आपको लगता है क्रिकेट को एक अच्छे और ज्यादा ब्राइटर लाइट में दिखाएगा इस फिल्म के जरिए आपको लगता है
Well, again,
It's a religion in
it
India.
will be like telling inside, I'm a bit hesitant on that, but as I said, people can easily relate to it. And cricket is a part of the movie. Like how I keep saying, cricket is a part of life. It's not my entire life. In the same way, cricket in this movie is a part of the movie. It's the human feeling and the emotion and everything that's more of the movie in this. So, it's not only cricket.
सो हमने देखा कि आप प्राइवेट पर्सन है आप आप ज्यादा जैसे कहते हैं ना आप यू नॉट वेरी लाउड आपकी स्टोरी बताई जा रही है इस फिल्म के जरिए तो आपको थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस नहीं हो रहा कि अब सबके सामने अब पूरी इंडिया देखेगी भाई पूरी दुनिया देखेगी अब ये फिल्म क्या बोलते हो
Uh, it's a bit awkward, to watch your own movie. Movie that's made on you, it's a bit awkward, to be frank. But at the same time, I felt I was not the person who was very nervous. It has to be Sushant. The reason being, let's say, अच्छा जैसा बात करें मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ सुशांत के ऊपर प्रेशर है कि किसी मैच के सिचुएशन की बात करें कि लेट्स से हम कोई मैच हार गए तो मेरा एक्सप्रेशन क्या होगा ऐसे बैठा रहूंगा मैं ऐसे बैठा रहूंगा दो चार बार अपनी दांतों को ग्राइंड करूंगा थोड़ा सोचूंगा बस दैट्स इट बट अगर सुशांत मूवी में ऐसे काम करता है तो यू कैन इमेजिन पूरे जो मूवी का ड्यूरेशन होगा वो ऐसे ही बैठा रहेगा सो सुशांत के लिए ज्यादा मुश्किल था कि उसको बाहर निकालना है और ऑडियंस को बिलीव कराना है कि मैं अंदर से ऐसा फील कर रहा था जिसके लिए इसने मुझे बहुत कुरेदा है कि उस समय कैसा फीलिंग था इस समय कैसा फीलिंग था मैं बोला यार तुम सवाल ही पूछते रहते हो रियलिटी है कि मैं नहीं रियलिटी है कि हमने बहुत कम टाइम स्पेंड किया साथ में बट इसने जिस तरीके का एफर्ट डाला है क्योंकि एक पार्ट क्रिकेट भी था तो ऑफ कोर्स हर कोई हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं बट जब स्क्रीन में आपको प्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है तो आपको सर्टेन चीजें सीखनी पड़ती हैं स्पेशली अगर क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड हो तो क्रिकेटिंग शॉट्स वगैरह खेलने पड़ते हैं
सर हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट सर
सो मूवी में इसने हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट भी मारा है एंड इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ रेप्लिका सो बहुत एफर्ट डाला है सुशांत ने एंड नीरज तो आई वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट नीरज के लिए मैं आई फील ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स काफ़ी अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स हैं दूसरे भी अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स बट आई लाइक जिस तरीके से ये मूवी को प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं जिस तरीके से इनकी मूवी में जो भी मेन थीम रहता है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा इधर उधर डाइवर्ट नहीं होता है इट स्टिक्स टू द थीम एंड दैट्स हाउ इट गेट्स ओवर सो नीरज के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे आई थिंक इज़ वेरी टैलेंटेड बहुत टैलेंटेड है बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है और आई फेल्ट जितना भी हमने इंटरेक्शन किया आई थिंक काफ़ी सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं जो मुझे जानते हैं बट आई थिंक नीरज बिकॉज काफ़ी चीज़ें हमने एक्सचेंज किया शेयर किया तो आई थिंक ही नोज़ अ लॉट ऑफ मी द इनसाइड स्टोरी ऑफ मी मैं कैसे सोचता हूँ अगर मैंने कुछ किया तो मैंने क्यों किया या कैसे किया ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा जानते हैं तो You know, if you can convince him for an interview, you will get a better interview than you know really asking me a question. क्योंकि मैं काफी बार बोल जाऊंगा नहीं इस टॉपिक पे नहीं बोल सकता, ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता. बट
सो बहुत ही स्पेशल है मुंबई आपके लिए, टीम इंडिया के लिए. एक लास्ट मैसेज जो आप देना चाहेंगे सारे मुंबईकरों के लिए जो गैदर्ड है यहाँ पर, समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू से. नहीं लास्ट मतलब टेंशन मत लो, डोंट सस्पेंस बिल्ड हो रहा है भाई, आराम से. सर, one message to all these fans, all these Mumbaikars who have gathered here, sir.
I think for me, मुंबई की अगर बात करें तो मुंबई इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट प्लेस. यू नो हर जगह जब आप जाते हैं, दिल्ली बहुत डिफरेंट है, कोलकाता बहुत डिफरेंट है. यू नो आई वाज फॉर्चुनेट कि मैं चेन्नई में 8 साल खेला, 8 साल खेला, तो वहाँ के कल्चर को समझ पाया. मुंबई 2005 के बाद मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड किया यू नो शूटिंग्स वगैरह में. आई फेल्ट यहाँ का जो कल्चर है वो एंटायरली डिफरेंट है. You know, people are very focused in what they do, and you know the culture is also how they have moved forward in life. You know, how they are willing to help each other, but at the same time they are not very intrusive. You know, ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आप जैसे if you are a celebrity आप बाहर जाके घूम भी सकते हो. लोग आएंगे, they'll ask you for pictures, photographs. अगर आप बोलो नहीं अभी थोड़ा please छोड़ दो, they are happy. Okay, thank you. You know, they'll move on. So I feel that's the essence of Mumbai, and I feel that's something that needs to keep moving forward, keep going forward to the next generation. क्योंकि आने वाले समय में दिक्कतें बढ़ेंगी, because मुंबई जहाँ तक ज़मीन की बात है तो फैल नहीं सकता है. पॉपुलेशन फैलेगा, गाड़ियाँ फैलेगी, ट्रैफिक फैलेगा, सब कुछ होगा. So you know that patience level needs to go up, but at the same time you know everything else remains to needs to be there at the same time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sushant, the man who's played MS Dhoni. So, I think let's give it up for Sushant, man. Nobody could have done this better than him. सुशांत, मुझे याद है हम एक बार मिले थे बाहर, हम ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं. आई रिमेंबर टेलिंग यू दैट आई डोंट थिंक एनी, जब आपका फर्स्ट लुक निकला था, आई सेड बॉस नोबडी कुड डू इट लाइक द वे यू हैव डन इट. सो रियल, सो मतलब इतना पैशन, वो पोस्टर में ही इतना पैशन दिख रहा था. I want to ask you, this is the mother of all biopics. मतलब कुछ नहीं, मतलब for every Indian सीना तान के खड़ा है यहाँ पर, बोल रहा है बॉस this is it, like the Michael Jackson moment, this is it. I'm telling you how much pressure to get into the skin of the character, and you have done after this trailer launch. I think boss, I think जुड़वा ऐसे लग रहे हैं यार, seriously they are one. So how much of pressure?
I think to start with it was more excitement than pressure. मैं जैसे एक स्टोरी बताऊंगा. 2007 की बात है या 6 की बात है. बहुत ही तवज्जो, बहुत ही मुश्किल से किसी तरीके से मैं और मेरी फैमिली MS तक पहुंच पाए थे, और मैंने एक फ़ोटो खींचा था अपनी फैमिली के साथ. और he is one person, one of the very few person who I seriously have very enormous respect for. I look up to him, and so to get an opportunity to know his inside story up close and personal gave me lot of excitement, not pressure. And very honestly, there are films in your career, you do it with full honesty and you end up being a good actor. But there are very, very rare films that you do and you end up being a good human being.
Intense question पूछा है आपने, बहुत intense.
और सर, मैं आपके पास आकर थोड़ा पिक्चर लेना चाहती हूँ.
असल मुद्दा ये है या क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने सीखी हैं, और आप जिस तरीके से फिल्म आप देखेंगे आपको पता चलेगा, क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छे से पंक्चुएट किया गया है फिल्म में. तो मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे जो बार बार MS अभी कह रहे हैं, हम बचपन से जानते हैं, लेकिन वो जब हम करते हैं तो उसका अलग ही मज़ा होता है. हम हमेशा पास्ट में ड्वेल कर रहे होते हैं या फ्यूचर में होते हैं कि ऐसा हो जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, लेकिन जब आप प्रेजेंट में रहते हैं, सचमुच खुली आंखों से देखते हैं और कानों से सुनते हैं, तो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगता है.